Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got enough weed to last me for the rest of my motherfucking life. We ain't gonna never run out. Yeah, 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 yeah.
PhotoShoot here in Germany.
Get the cork out the bottle, get that money up and make your style a little harder to follow. I've been hustling all the time, that's the only thing I know. Now my watch is worth 30,000, got Cuban links in Italian, boy I'm getting it. Riding in my ride, looking filthy rich. Killing these niggas, I ain't innocent. My bad, ain't paid the cost, see they just watch me, they copy my swag. Say I fell off, that's where you lost me. How's that when my name is in my upholstery? I'm rolling up and going places across seas, hoping the neighbors don't smell the shit I bake. And every day I'm on another plane, I hardly sleep, but hey, I wouldn't have it any other way.
Now there we go.
You holding on to where we smoke it all today.
Now there we go. Now there we go.
I wake up and I bake up, get my things and catch a plane, but I'll be back again. Back again. I wake up and I bake up, get my things and catch a plane, but I'll be back again. Back again. So much money that when I pull up, hop out and walk in the bank teller look at me funny. Know how much I get, know I'm liable to walk up in this bitch like Tony with big blue bags of this shit and tell him count it up. Riding around in that Cali, got OG Kush in my...
We're done with this photo shoot with Christian Wolf.
Yeah, man.
Thank you, man.
It was good here in Magdeburg City.
Yep.
We're doing good. Was lucky with the weather, so it doesn't rain, at least.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
I'm curious about the photos.
I know I can't wait to see it too.
Thank you.